Welcome to MaidCV.com. Please introduce yourself.
Good morning, I'm Placida Ortega from Philippines. I am married with one children.
How old are you?
I am 34 years old.
Okay, so what position are you applying for?
I'm a housemate and nanny.
Housemaid and nanny. Okay, when would you be able to start working?
End of October.
End of October. Do you have relatives here in UAE?
Yes, I have a lot of cousins here in Dubai.
Okay, please describe your present job.
Right now, I am a housemate, doing cooking, a bit, babysitting, cleaning, and ironing.
And ironing. Okay, how many children are under your care?
I have two children, ages 3.5 and 1 year old.
Okay, so what do you like most about your present job? What do you enjoy doing? Cleaning, cooking, or looking after children?
With the kids.
You enjoy looking after kids. Okay, so describe how do you clean the living room, kitchen, bedroom, and toilet? And which part of the house are you going to clean first?
First is the kitchen, and then next is master's bedroom, and then living room.
Okay, so for the kitchen, how do you clean the kitchen?
The kitchen, I have to use, I'm using the antibacterial. Start from the dishes, dishes, and then using the antibacterial.
Okay, so for the bedroom, how many times in a week do you have to change the bed sheets?
Bed sheet is once a week. Every day you have to clean, even the toilet.
Okay, so every day you have to clean the bedroom, changing a bed sheet once a week, and the toilet also has to be cleaned every day. Okay, so what would you do if a delivery man came to the door and your employer is not around?
Once it happened, I will ask first what they need. So if my madam is not here, then I have to call to my madam if I have to sign or to receive anything.
Okay, good. So you said you know how to cook. What kind of foods you can prepare?
It's just a pasta, boiled and grilled chicken.
Okay. So are you willing to learn how to cook other dishes?
Of course.
Okay. And do you know how to follow instruction in cookbooks?
Yeah.
Okay. What favorite activities you enjoy doing with children?
Playing, hiding, and seek.
Okay. So what do children like best about you? What do they like about you? The children.
Like now, he said that I am very good to them because I always playing with them.
Okay. So if one of the children accidentally hurts himself, what will you do?
I put the first aid first, and then after that, if I can't stop it, I will call my madam, and then I will bring them to the doctor.
Doctor. Okay. As a nanny, could you say no to a child?
It depends. If it is good, then I will say yes. If it is bad, then I will say no.
Okay, very good. So the child finishes school at 3 p.m. and she will have her dinner at 6 p.m. During those 3 hours, what will you do to entertain the child?
Playing outside.
Okay. So describe yourself and give a short message to your future employer. Why should they hire you?
Hello, madam. Hello, sir. I am trustworthy, hardworking, honest, and good with the kids. So if you will hire me, I will try my best to do everything.
Okay. So please keep your mobile phone on with you as families will contact you. Thank you, Ida from MaidCV.com. Thank you.